Hello, right guys. So this is going to be the assignment brief for TM 0003. Now first of all I want you guys to go through the general instructions. There are 7 points given here. Go through them carefully. Some client comments are also mentioned, and we have also attached a couple samples. Okay, first things first, go through the instructions that have been given to you, okay, in this section and this section as well, and click on the allocation section to see what the allocation is for today. Now if you see, the serial numbers are given. This is the ID code, okay, per file. I'll get to that. I'll explain everything what needs to be done. These are the writer names, the deadline given, the word count requirement, the projects which you are working with, clients, type of blogs or articles we are working with, what the client, the nature of business of the client, okay, the topics, the most important thing, what we are going to write with. These have been assigned, so all your topics have been given. Primary keywords are also provided, secondary keywords are given, keyword frequency is provided, and reference links are provided for some particular allocation. Okay, now for this assignment, what we want you to do is write semi-promotional blogs and articles. Okay, guest post is nothing but a blog, web 2.0 is nothing but a blog. Okay, so articles and blogs is the requirement for this assignment. So based on the titles given to us and the word count provided, okay, we have to compose articles and blogs, and these articles and blogs have to be semi-promotional. What do I mean by semi-promotional? Is that you're going to talk about the client company, you're trying to promote the client company just in the conclusion. So let's say, for example, if we take the example of serial number 1, which is going to be done by Anushka. Her word count is 500. The client's name is KTC India. Okay, client's website is also given, and her topic is benefits of hiring luxury car rental in Chennai with driver. Okay, so the word count being 500, we are going to talk about, let's say, give an introduction of 50 to 70 words, then highlight 4 or 5 benefits, which accumulates to total of, let's say, 400 words. So after covering 450 odd words, just in the conclusion, you will sum up whatever you have written, and you will plug the client company, which is KTC India. How? Like this: companies such as KTC India offer some of the best luxury car rental services. The company has been in the industry for several years and has fulfilled the need of luxury car rentals for people all across India. So be sure to get in touch with KTC India to avail more information about luxury car rental hiring. So something of this sort. Okay, so you're going to plug the client company only in the conclusion and nowhere else. Okay, so this is the present requirement. Then going to the primary keyword section. Okay, each keyword, if you see, keyword frequency is 3 for everything, and in some cases it's 2. What is keyword frequency? It's nothing but the number of times you have to use each particular keyword. Okay, so let's take in the example of the first serial number again, luxury car rental in Chennai with driver. That is your keyword. Okay, that is your first primary keyword, which has to be used 3 times. Okay, and you have to highlight that in bold. It has to be utilized exactly the same way, right, as it has been presented in the talk. If you remember, we had shared a couple articles in the initial when we first made contact for the internship. Reference about keywords, the importance of keywords, plagiarism and content spinning was shared. Be sure to implement that particular research a little bit about keywords if you are not aware of that, and make sure to use the keywords adequately in each and every section. So primary keywords in every particular blog, I think there will be 2 to 3 primary keywords, which each has to be used 3 times, and secondary keywords also have to be used 2 to 3 times. Okay, so this is the requirement. I'll just go through all of this again. Topics are given. Okay, you have to compose general content as per your topics. Only in the conclusion you are going to plug your client company. The client company's name and websites are given here. Okay, so be sure to utilize the client company name only in the conclusion. As I mentioned before, how to plug the client company, sell their product, talk positively about them, why people should avail the services, and proceed likewise. Now if you see, we have also attached a few samples here. Okay, let's not consider the second sample, the first sample. Okay, there's an editing option here, edit with Google Doc. Just click on that, then automatically the sample doc is going to open. What if you check the sample doc, you will see a table is pasted at first. Okay, after that the content is there. Okay, so what we want you guys to do in each and every file is to have a similar table, okay, which can be availed from the sample in itself. So just copy paste the table and paste it in each and every file of yours. Okay, so if you just go through the sample again, you will see, right? So this is the content. If you see, keywords are highlighted in bold. That is what we want you to do as well. Okay, and yeah, primarily this is it. But the table out here, you just have to copy paste, okay, and remove the data, this particular data, whatever is given here, okay, and fill it up with your allocation. So for, let's say, if it's going to be Anushka doing serial number 1, her project ID is this. So what you're going to do is just move this, paste that. Okay, month is October, so you're going to just make it OCT. Word count requirement, first one is 500, so provide 500. Project name, project names are given here. Okay, so this you're just going to copy project name here, client URL is given here. So this is what you have to do for each and every blog article, whatever you're working with. Please make sure to submit on time, and every file has to be free of plagiarism. You cannot copy paste content from any source. Be sure to refer to different sources and implement using your own creative words. This is where the creativity comes into play. Unlike the DG assignment which we were doing before, it was very monotonous and single-handedly, you were processing similar format of files. But this out here, we need creative content, quality content, which is reader friendly, which will be easy to read, which is something different topics we are working with. So be sure to implement all of this. Go through this video, and if you guys have any doubts, please make sure to give me a text, keeping in mind that we need semi-promotional blogs and articles where we are only going to promote the client company in the conclusion. Only promote the client company in the conclusion, the final 70-50 words of each blog. Okay, make sure to use the keywords adequately. Each keyword has to be used 3 times as mentioned here, and go through the client instructions which have been highlighted here as well. In case of any doubts, please text me. Thank you.